Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a watch list in TradingView. First, locate the watch list panel on the right side of your TradingView interface. If you don't see it, click the icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines with a star. This panel is your gateway to organizing and tracking your preferred assets efficiently. Let's get started with adding your first symbol. Once your watch list panel is open, look for the plus sign, usually at the top of the panel. Clicking this will open a search bar. Here, you can type in the ticker symbol or the name of the asset you wish to add, like Apple for Apple stock or BTCust for Bitcoin versus the US dollar. Make sure to select the correct exchange from the options provided. After adding your symbols, you can easily organize them. Simply click and drag a symbol up or down to change its position in the list. For better organization, consider creating multiple watch lists, perhaps one for stocks, another for crypto, and a third for forks. You can also assign color labels to individual symbols, making it simple to identify different types of assets at a glance. TradingView offers several customization options for your watch lists. You can rename a watch list by clicking its title, which helps keep your trading categories distinct. To remove a symbol, hover over it and click the X icon that appears. For advanced users, you can even export your watch lists for backup or import them to share with others, enhancing your trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.